Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to show you this hair. This is sew-in which I made, and I did the crochet invisible parts. This hair is by SuperNova and is their Funmi hair. I've heard lots about this Funmi hair because people were asking me if I know any vendor selling it, but when I got contacted by SuperNova and they were willing to, showcase this Funmi hair, I was really happy. And because I would like to recommend this hair to people that asked me about this hair before. I don't know how they came up with the name Funmi, because Funmi is a Nigerian name, and because I think most Nigerian people like this hairstyle and the curls, they're very popping. So I'm going to show you the hair, how it came in the pack, and how I was able to install this gorgeous hair. I will also explain why I didn't use the closure, although the closure is popping, is nice, but I didn't use it. So yeah, I hope you stay with me to the end of this video. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Chide. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks to all my subscribers who have been there and keeping it real with me and the support. You guys are the best. I can't be here without you guys. So yeah, I hope this video makes sense in some way. And yeah, if there's anything that you really want me to show on this channel, don't forget to write it in comment section, and I'm going to put all the link to this hair and everything that you need to know about this hair in the description box. So thanks so much for watching, and bye. So now this is the hair I received from SuperNova and Funmi curls, and they came in the mini packs. I actually got 12 packs. Yeah, 12 packs, you guys heard me right. And the 12 packs were small packs. They were not that normal full packs. So I think 12 packs of this hair is like 4 bundles of the normal bundles, and it came with this gorgeous closure. I really like this closure. I was looking forward to installing this and sewing it on my hair, but I noticed that the 16 inches written on the pack wasn't exactly what was inside. So that's why I decided to do this crochet braid install. Like you can see in this picture, how the hair, the Aunty Funmi coils, what it looks like, and it's actually nice and gorgeous. So that's one bundle you're seeing here. That's one bundle. So I got 12 bundles of those, and yeah, I didn't wash it before I installed it. You can see the difference in the length with the closure, so I just decided not to use it. So now getting on to the sewing, this will be my braid pattern. I just went simple, and I wanted the front to be a little bit fuller, so I made those 4 cornrows going down. So when you're installing your hair, you start from the back of the head like so. It depends, some people can start from ear to ear, but I like to start from the back, ear to ear, the down part, not up front. But whichever way is good for you, the final result is what matters. And how you're going to sew this to your own cornrow doesn't really matter, as in the perfection. As far as your needle is going through your weft and through your cornrow, is all right. So when I get to the end, I flip and I continue sewing. Like you guys know, I'm doing this myself, so I don't see the back of my head. So yeah, so I'm the second bundle for this one, and I continue in the same manner, sewing it down. You don't have to be too good to do this. You don't have to be a pro to try this. You just try it in the comfort of your room. And like I said before, the back, you don't even need mirror to do the back. You just have to just use your mind and guess that you are doing the right thing, and don't pierce yourself if you're using needle. Some people prefer the curved one, but I like this one. So that's what I'm basically doing. I'm going to sew, get to the end, flip, sew down, and continue like this. And in this video, I use 8 bundles, I think. Yeah, I used 8 bundles to finish up this, so I got 4 bundles left. So I'm going to continue sewing this hair, and I'll come back to talk to you. So see you later. So now I'm done with sewing the weft to my cornrow. The next thing now is for me to finish it up with the crochet method, and I'm using this latch hook. So what I'm going to do is to put in my latch hook like this and pull in some hair from underneath. I have a video like this with coily hair, but that coily hair was super coily, but this one is like wavy hair right now. So this also can also represent straight hair, because people always ask me if they can do this method with straight hair. Yeah, you can, but I must warn you, is a little bit difficult compared to coily hair. Coily hair are like kinky coily, they are fast and more flawless, but with this one they kind of tend to drag with you a little. But if you have patience and you are able to do this little by little, you achieve what you are looking for. So that is how I continue making this hair until I finish the um space in the front to make it look super natural. I'm sorry if I'm going off view. It's because I thought my camera was picking me. So this is here, I was doing this and I was combing it out to see if I'm getting it well. I continued like that until I finished the remaining part. I'm sorry I didn't film everything. It wasn't easy for me to continue filming and looking at the mirror at the same time, so I had to stand up and go and face my mirror. So this is the final look, guys, and it is super gorgeous. And like I said before, I used 8 bundles, and this is the remaining 4 bundles of those 16 inches. And of course I didn't use the disclosure. So yeah, that is all for this video. You can see the curls are popping. This hair is nice. I recommend this hair, and please don't forget to check the link in the description box. And yeah, thanks so much. Until next time, bye.
First of all, you're fantastic. For my name, you're bustle and assassin. Cause me fi keep central, we will take bash on your nanka minim mashasi. Right from 90 something now to 2014. Indeed, God is great.